Third, can you soulstone?
Oh yeah. Hold up.
And whoever was supposed to stone me.
Ilias, that is.
It's too late now, right?
If you find some spare movement, you can do it still.
Ooh, wrong way.
Stay
Nice
alive.
there, Beavis.
Stay alive. Okay, Joshua up.
Can't res and bad pull.
That's fine.
Continent 2.
You can deal with the pool. Spread out. Didn't trigger.
Nice.
Remember your CCs. And deal with the ads. Deal with the star one, mask grip. Move to purple. Move to purple. Everyone on purple. Range will kill the small ones.
You got my bar.
Frontal.
Move to nipple. Keep it interrupted. Keep it interrupted and get a position. High beam in 5 seconds. Spread out. Spread out. Move the boss. Stay alive.
Shout.
Frontal in 3. Not here.
Can you trank? Thank you.
The boss, and now use the time if you have the clouds to move far away.
Your skeleton up.
Spread out for the I-beams.
Frontal.
Might reach a fire.
Ads incoming.
Sweet.
CC your ads soon and blow up the star ad. CC your ads.
You have a bar.
Grip in 3.
Star, star, star. Been interrupted. Stay alive.
You're so tight.
Frontal. Careful.
Purple after. Purple now. Purple. Purple. Deal with the clouds. Put them as far away as possible. Nipple.
I-beam soon, guys. Spread.
Try not to do that again over there. It's tricky. Spread out.
Frontal.
Drinking.
Now push the boss. I think we need.
Tell me what you done, Cindy.
I'm done.
Yeah, move the boss to star. Use your. I'm gonna use a cooldown.
Just do it.
Get Nebo up, Beavis.
Careful.
20.
Frontal.
We're gonna make it.
I can.
Finish
Revive
rolling,
olives.
guys.
Spread.
Spread now.
Spread out. Move the boss. Bragalas will take
Yeah,
the
the rebel.
first. Bragalas will take the first.
Awesome.
Last. Last.
Waste.
It's under the boss.
Yeah.
Right behind it. Yeah. Don't.
Bragalas, move it to cross. One is gonna be Thaddeus. Thaddeus, you're gonna face the wall. You're already there. Good. Face the wall.
The second corridor.
Frontal in 2.
If you're about to be CC'd, Bergala, stand a bit close to the boss.
Face the wall.
Healer's DPS when
Second boss.
Shinsu will be next. Shinsu's next. Move away from that Tad. Don't see it though.
Sorry,
Get ready to get Bragalas in. Pull Bragalas in. Kill him off.
didn't even see it, by the way.
Bitson next.
It's
Bitson
on,
next.
it's on cross.
Bitson.
I'm there.
innovate Bitson when you.
Thaddeus is about to
Don't
be
come
CC'd.
into the group. Don't come into the group. Just stand there.
Kill
Stop.
Thaddeus off. Kill Thaddeus off. Spread out. Member next.
Frontal.
Let me take. Give me
Yeah.
some room, please.
Kill Shinsu off soon. Kill Shinsu off now.
Where is
Oh, to me.
It's on.
Anyone?
it's-
Any melee
on the
take
boss.
it?
It's
Strix will take it.
Don't stand on us if you don't stand on us if you get that.
Bitson move out. Kill Bitson off. Kill Bitson off.
I'll
it's
take.
under the boss.
Kill Bitson off.
It's under the boss.
Trank now?
I'll take it. Get away.
Just keep the boss here. Keep the boss here.
Face
Bounce
it.
into cross. Bounce into
Two.
cross.
It's
Man better kill him.
Come on, guys. What the fuck?
it's.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Kill member up. Kill member off.
Controlled.
IV
Brad.
guys?
Kill
Strix.
Stun
Oldog,
Strix.
Oldog take next. Kill Strix. Oldog take next. And watch the
It's
frontal
on the
now.
skull.
Good right.
If you don't go take it, I'm just gonna stand in it.
Yeah, do it. And now if you get CC'd, stand away. Don't deal with the CCs anymore. Get
Frontal in
away.
2.
Get away. Focus the boss.
Use
Bad
pods. Use your pods.
Kill the boss.
Oh, external member.
Kill the boss.
I don't know.
1%.
Guys.
200k.
Nice.
60k. 50.
Nice.
Done.
Yeah, boy.
I died.
Like making this harder than it
Oh no, guys.
should be.
There's an ass.
Oh man, I saw that orb near the cloud. I was like, no, please, let me be able to stand.
Ed, why you do this?
Is it too late for me to get my
Deal.